question is, can you build a replacement part for my car, comma, toaster, swimming pool, lawnmower, that kind of thing? Well, yes, we could if you provided us with a 3D CAD file drawing. However, when it comes to personal use items, we don't typically recommend it. Firstly, it often isn't as economical as just going and buying the replacement piece from the manufacturer, because you also need to have the CAD file drawing. The 3D printed part isn't going to maybe look as slick as it would coming from the manufacturer. But in addition to that, there are certain safety considerations to take into account, because whoever designed that original component, it was probably a mechanical engineer or designer, and they probably spent a good year or two, maybe even more, let's say if it's a piece for your car, trying to figure out exactly how to do it. And then they had to make sure that it was made in a material that for safety reasons is in the correct material. And if it's something that actually impacts the safety of you driving the car, there's a lot more ramifications to the design than simply just an aesthetically pleasing piece in some cases. So if it's for personal use, I always recommend that you start by going to the source, whoever originally made the components, check out eBay, and or maybe just buy a new toaster.